Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create multiple wallets on Trust Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to come to your Trust Wallet mobile application and then tap on this gear icon in the top left hand corner. Now here you will be able to see this wallets tab where you can see whichever wallet you are currently using. As you can see that I'm currently using wallet 1, which is my Vane wallet. So in order to add multiple wallets into my Trust wallet, you need to tap on the wallets tab. Here it will show you all of your wallets that you have added or imported in your Trust wallet application. I have only one, that's why one wallet is showing to me over here. In order to add multiple wallet, you need to tap on the plus icon in the top right hand corner, and from here you can either create a new wallet and you can even add the existing wallet into it. First, if you tap on create new wallet, then you can create a new wallet with the help of a secret phrase and with the second option of Swift beta. So you just have to select any of these and you can start your Trust wallet creation process. If you already have a wallet and you want to import it, then you just have to tap on add existing wallet and select any of the options of backing up or importing your existing wallet to Trust wallet. Most probably you are going to use the secret phrase option. So if you tap on it, you just have to select the network and then provide your 12 or the 24 words seed phrase. Then your wallet will be imported and you will be able to get access all of these into this wallets section. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.